Chefs and cheferettes, our smoked chicken wings are done.
Cheferettes, we are making some amazing smoked chicken wings. So I'm gonna tell you everything you need to make this banging dish. So you're gonna need some chicken, right? Cleaned and washed chicken, right here, some chicken wings. You need some black pepper, some onion powder, garlic powder, Cajun seasoning, some cayenne pepper, paprika. We have smoked paprika, all right? Because we're making, what we making?
Smoked chicken wings.
That's right. And you're gonna need some Old Bay seasoning and a little bit of salt, guys. That's all you're gonna need to make this amazing dish. So stay tuned. So we're gonna show you how to do that.
All right, chefs and cheferettes. So the first thing we're gonna do is wash our chicken wings with some lemon and vinegar. All right, chefs and cheferettes. Now it's time to season our chicken wings. We already washed it in lime and vinegar, and now we're gonna season it with 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of Cajun spice, 1 teaspoon of cayenne, a teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of Old Bay.
A little bit of salt.
Whoa, almost dropped that. A little bit of salt, not too much, because you know we don't want. Exactly. So a little less than a teaspoon of salt. The black pepper. You want to put about a tablespoon of that. Guys, get you one of these automatic salt shakers.
Really, nigga?
That's what it's called?
Yeah. For lazy people.
It looks like I was a little retarded. Tablespoon. That's the only thing we put a tablespoon of. And now we're going to mix everything up. Get everything nice and massaged and covered in your seasonings. And then we're going to put it in the fridge for 24 hours. You don't have to put it for 24 hours if you're in a crunch and you know you're trying to cook right away. Put it in the fridge for an hour. But we're going to leave ours overnight. And tomorrow, we're going to put these bad boys on a smoker. So you make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if y'all want to see how we make these wings on a smoker.
Smoked wings on a smoker.
Oh yeah, chefs and cheferettes. So we outside, and I got these delicious wings that Chef Sam seasoned up, and we about to throw it on the smoker. Guys, if you don't know how to use a smoker, then make sure you check out our tutorial and review video. I'm gonna put the link in the description. So let me show you what we're working with. Alright guys, so now it's time to light your smoker. We put our charcoals inside the offset barrel. We lit them, and now we wait. Remember, don't close that lid on that left side until the flames have died down. Alright? Once the flames are died down, we're going to add our flavored wood chunks, and we're going to wait for the grill to get to our desired temperature. Remember, you need to get your grill to a desired temperature before you place your meat. Once we're at that temperature, then we're gonna place our meat over this pan of water with our favorite seasonings. Alright, so our grill is lit. I'm gonna close this bad boy up. Right here I got water. I put some seasoning in there, Montreal chicken seasoning. Yeah, you gotta season up that water. This is so that meat don't get dry. So our charcoal is nice and hot. Now we're gonna add our wood chunks that we have that we had soaking in water. Guys, you don't have to soak it in water. Why we're soaking it in water? So it burns slower. See that? Ooh, yeah. When you soak these wood chunks, they burn a lot slower than dry. But you can place yours dry if you prefer. Alright? Now I'm gonna add these delicious seasoned wings in our smoker. So this should cook about maybe an hour and 15 minutes. But depending on how high you got your heat, you gotta check it. So make sure you got a thermometer. I'm gonna show you a picture of the thermometer we got. I got this from Target. It was on sale. It actually came with the entire kit, and I think that was a steal. So I'm gonna place all these wings on our smoker, and you're gonna see halfway through. It's been about half an hour to 45 minutes, and we're still smoking, guys. Let's take a look at this temperature. Internal temperature is about 250. So we are right. We're right in a good range. That meat is smoking, guys. I can't wait to see the finished product. Alright, chefs and chefettes. So it's been about an hour and 15 minutes, and some of our chicken wings look like it's ready to come off. This is where you're going to need a thermometer. Chicken wings, you want the internal temperature to be about 170. So let's see. Let's take a look at the ones that are pretty cooked. Let's take a look at this temperature reading. So we want to be about 170. It's going up there. Ooh, and the ones closer to the actual offset burner cook a lot quicker. So it's at 144. It's going up. I think these are done just by looking at it, but to be safe, we want to make this thermometer go up to about 170. The ones further away need to be moved. They rotate, flipped. Look at that. We're at 162, 163, 165. Yeah, these are definitely cooked. So I'm going to take the ones that look really crispy off, and I'm going to show you the finished product. Boom, 171. Chefs and chefettes, our smoked chicken wings are done. Look how good they look. All wings have a temperature of 170 internal. Guys, just a heads up, the ones closest to the offset where the smoke comes in, they cook a lot faster. So just keep that in mind and make these smoked chicken wings. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we are out.